Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, March 18, 2023. It is 5:49 and 33 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, immune cells. So let's hop to it here. Discovery of unexpected function of blood immune cells, their ability to proliferate. Date March 17, 2023. Source: University of Liège. The ability of a cell to divide, to proliferate, is essential for life and gives rise to the formation of complex organisms from a single cell. It allows the replacement of used cells from a limited number of stem cells, which then proliferate and specialize in cancer. However, cell proliferation is no longer controlled. It becomes chaotic. Researchers have discovered that in a healthy individual, certain blood immune cells, the monocytes, also have this ability to proliferate with the aim to replace tissue macrophages, which are essential for the proper functioning of our body. The formation of complex, multicellular organisms, which human beings belong to, requires the first generation of billions of cells from a limited number of progenitor cells that have first proliferated and then acquire particular macrophages and functions while assembling into tissues and organs. Our current knowledge indicates that most of the cells that constitute a living organism arise from so-called stem cells, which have divided by a process called mitosis in order to give rise to a greater number of cells. These cells then stop proliferating to specialize, differentiate, and form muscles, brain bones, immune cells, etc. When proliferation is no longer properly regulated, this can lead to the development of various diseases, among which cancers represent the most striking example. Researchers discovered that this ability to proliferate is not merely restricted to stem cells, but is also an as yet unknown function of blood immune cells, the monocytes. Indeed, blood monocytes, previously considered as differentiated cells, are capable of proliferating and generating a pool of monocytes in the tissues in order to give rise to macrophages, which are important immune cells that protect us against microbes to support the proper functioning of our organs. As this is a major fundamental discovery which changes our conception of the involvement of cell proliferation in the constitution and maintenance of our immune system. The findings also suggest that the information that can be drawn from an enumeration of blood monocytes classically carried out during a blood test would reflect only little of what is happening at the level of the tissues during infection or inflammation. For example, since monocytes can proliferate when they enter tissues. As fortunately, this proliferation is extremely well controlled. It does not lead to a tumoral process. It has only one goal: to allow, as effectively as possible, the replacement of immune cells that populate our tissues, the macrophages. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.